Audio can enhance a presentation by adding narration, background music, or sound effects. PowerPoint allows users to insert both pre-recorded audio files and also provides a built-in tool to record their voice. The inserted audio appears as a speaker icon on the slide, and users can set it to play automatically or when clicked. Steps to insert an audio file from PC. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 2. In the Media group, click on Audio. Step 3. Select Audio on my PC from the drop-down menu. Step 4. A dialog box will appear. Browse and select your audio file. Step 5. Click the Insert button. The audio icon will appear on your slide. Steps to record your voice in PowerPoint. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab and then choose Audio, Record Audio. Step 2. A dialog box appears. Type a name for your recording. Step 3. Click the red Record button and speak clearly into the microphone. Step 4. Click Stop when done, then click Play to listen. Step 5. If you're satisfied, click OK to insert the audio into the slide.